5 signs of iron deficiency and 5 iron-rich foods to include in your diet. Iron is essential for producing red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout the body. Iron deficiency is especially common in females and can lead to several health issues. Common signs include constant fatigue and low energy levels, even after proper rest. Pale skin and lips due to reduced hemoglobin can also indicate iron deficiency. Shortness of breath after mild activity occurs when oxygen levels drop. Brittle or spoon-shaped nails may appear weak, thin, or curved. Another sign is restless leg syndrome, causing discomfort, especially at night. To boost iron levels, include lean red meat like beef, lamb, and liver, which are rich in heme iron. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard provide non-heme iron. Legumes and lentils like chickpeas and kidney beans are great plant-based sources. Fortified cereals enriched with iron help increase daily intake. Pumpkin seeds are also a nutritious, iron-packed snack. Pairing iron-rich foods with vitamin C sources like citrus fruits enhances absorption. Stay curious, stay healthy.